How to turn off restricted mode in Roblox. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. If this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So, for example, if I click on this game, I am actually not able to play it. Now we can easily fix that by going to the settings in the top right corner. Then here click on settings. Now, the most important setting is to change in parental controls, and that is the allowed experiences over here, as you can see. But it is currently grayed out and we cannot change this. Now, that is because if we go to privacy, we have account restrictions enabled. Now, we need to disable this. So simply click on here. And then here we have to enter a PIN. Now, this PIN is either created by you or, for example, a parent. So you need to go to the person that created this PIN and ask to fill in this PIN, or obviously do it yourself if you created your own PIN. So I'm going to fill mine in right now and click unlock. Currently, I have now unlocked this and I need to go to parental controls again. And then here we can see allowed experiences, right? So let's say we're now to go to this one over here. I cannot play this, and this is the ages of 13 plus. Now, what I want to do is put it to at least 13 plus or 17 plus. Now, this depends on how old you actually are. If you are not 17, then 17 plus will not appear, and it will only 13 plus will only appear. But I'm going to put this to 17 plus, and now I have saved it successfully. Now, sometimes you do have to enter a PIN in order to change this as well. And if you fully want to disable your parent PIN, you can do that here as well. But once you change this setting, it usually just says create a PIN. So that's actually quite weird. So it's just better to keep the PIN, because then you can change this whenever you want. But now if I go to this game again and refresh, you can actually see that I can play this, because we have set it to 17 plus, as you can see, by simply disabling the account restrictions. So now we can play whatever game we would like, and that's pretty much it. So that's how to turn off restricted mode on Roblox.